One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, on my Stock Gambles channel. And this here, man, I've made a couple flubs trying to buy it lower and low, and I miss it every day. And it's not been a fun thing for me. So I'm in here now, and I'm down on this stock, by the way. I'm very proud to say, I guess. I'm not ashamed to say that I've got some losers. This one here has lost me 61%. Only got about $935. I guess I would have about, I've lost $1,400. I bought the stuff at a quarter even. It's at 1.7 cents. I got 55,000 shares. I'm thinking about buying 45,000 more. Of course, at a limit order because it's so cheap. It's up 13.33%, and I got to bid another 7% more at a 0.018. And I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pop it in at a 0.017. I should just pay the 1.8, man. This one's been hard to buy for me. God. And I hate to do that. It was so low just a little while ago. $817. Let me see this. Let's do a 5-day. Yeah. It was at 1.3 and it dropped down to 1.1 on a 1 month. As you can see, it was down at that 1.3 a couple times, 1.1, 1.0 for a split second. But it's popped in that 1.4, 1.5, and up in here into the, might even hit 2.1. But that's a month. And back here, back in the 1.3s and 1s. 3 months. Look at that. It really fell, man. 6 months. That peak right there is 6. So that's 3.5 times. Anyways, let's see here. I'm gonna open it up again.
Instant message alert.
Uh-oh. Temporarily unable to access the information I asked for. Holy smokes. I'm gonna place this order. I don't know what happened there. We shall see. Let's see what happened. I'm gonna try to go there direct. Whoa! I don't know if it took my order. Do you think it took my order? View orders. It took my order. Cool. Paying more than the ask price just because that's what the bid is at. There it is. I believe it filled. Penguins. Come on now. Where are we at? Filled. 10,000 executed at 1.8. I didn't put to fill it all or kill it. Dang it. That ought to be interesting to see how this always, watch this. I should have done this. When you put in your amount and your symbol and your order type. Uh-oh. I hope I bought. I know I bought. I'm not worried about that. It was for a second, huh? Limit. Make sure and click that. You can put your limit price, of course. But click that right there. And all or none. Oh my. While we've been watching. I'm glad I got 10,000 more. But that may be all that order fills. Dang it. Welp. This is LVVV, and you can actually check out, if you go look them up on Google, well, they don't give that option here. You can find them online. Livewire Ergogenics. Actually, let's do that. We're here. You're looking. Might as well. Livewire Energy Chews. And I'll tell you what, they've got a pretty nifty website, and they've got these box items. They just got 600 more in 600 more different Circle K, 6,000 Circle Ks. That's right. They got the women advertising. They got the hot women out there and stuff. You know, they got the young hot racing guys with the dune buggy things and the motorcycles. They're in it, man. They got all the superstars and the women to push them and stuff, and so that's cool. Team Livewire. Oh yeah, man. They got all kinds of stuff on here. So, eat me. Eat me. I'll do a review on the product too, but basically the energy boost is about the same as a can of Red Bull or something. Low calories, low carbs, all that stuff. And they've got a pretty neat thing. In fact, as I do this, I'm sitting here going, God, I like this thing. I like this whole thing. Let's see, view this order status. Well, what happened? How come I couldn't look at that earlier? Come on now. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. I want to, but it's 10 o'clock and I have this feeling it's gonna... You can't look it up for me. You can buy it, but you can't look it up. Well, I'm gonna leave that at that. Stockgambles.com. Check out that site, and I'll try and put some of these all on there. I'm gonna upload this to my regular channel probably. Yeah, man, they're not wanting to show me anything. That's odd. Never had it do that. Some kind of a glitch. Maybe it just don't like the stock. It's like, man, this stuff's too cheap. 2 pennies. Under 2 pennies. Like, this sucker paid a quarter. Ain't no way we're giving it to him for 2 pennies. Back down to 1.8. No, well, it's at 1.8 still, excuse me. Look at that day's range. Boom, right open to that. Man. 600, I'm sorry. I messed up. It's 600 Circle Ks. And that's not the big news on this. Like, everybody on the big staff gave up all their stock, I mean their pay, and are gonna do it for $1. I'm so down on this that I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. I want it all. And actually, I think I pressed fill or kill. Did I? Ah, good thing I went back with all or none here. No, it's still at 1.8. And you can change this and be as dense as you want, I guess. But I'm sick of doing this, and I'm buying this stock. How much did I just cost myself? That's a good question. And you can figure that out really easy. I'm sure you know how. If I bought 35,000 shares times 0.001 cent. So for extra 35 bucks, it's done. That click was most likely the other 35,000 shares filling canceled. Well, yeah, I canceled it, so you should execute the other one. Come on, guys. It's a tight little thing out there, man. They're not wanting to... It went up! It went up while we were doing that. Damn it, she said. Sure did. They're just not Well, I'm thinking about going up another 1/10 of a penny. I'm doing it. I want the stock. I want the stock. That's all there is to it. It's canceled. It's not filling either. Let's preview this stuff, man. I hate buying like this, but I really don't want to miss out on this stock. It's on. Boom! It's been placed. That should fill. That's probably the cancel. This is going now. Let's see. And now, it don't necessarily mean I'm going to pay 0.2. Canceled. And let's see. Since they're not letting me buy stock limit open. Price 2 cents. Is it at 2 cents? Oh my. Nope. Still there supposedly, but it's not showing me the stock when I try. So that's really interesting. I've never ran into that. It's canceling them, but it ain't filling them. Let's see here. Why do I have 65,000 here? Oh, I got 10,000 in another account. That was it filling at 1.9. So even though I put it at 2, it went, oh, 1.99. Man, at least I got it. So now that should immediately within here. Oh yeah, the 10,000 they added already, and that brought me down to 55%. Hang on now. Now this will already update, I'll bet you. Boom, 100,000 even. I'm only down 40%. So I'm dollar averaging out a bit. I've got 1990 worth of the stock now. So I've added a good chunk. And as you can see, I took a little bite here because I liked the product and everything. I tried to double down. Lost my butt. Bought a bunch here. Oh, this was a free, this was a dividend. This here I bought again. Bought again. Bought again. That, though, I got the other day, 30,000 of them. So I took a big chunk on that to kind of dollar average that down. And now this chunk here is, whoa! Oh, I got it at 1.8. That's right. Boom, 10,000 at 1.8. And the last 35 at 1.99. Or a penny 99. So that's that. I've got a little bit of that added up. And thanks for watching. That is the whole deal here. Stock gambles. And if you want to check out this stock, again, it's LVVV, Livewire, Ergogenics. I'll take a stab at that. And there's the 6 month. And to where you can see where I've lost my money. There's your 23 cent, 28 cent. At least I didn't get it at 28, right? And over time, see, here's your January. Here's where I bought. My first buy, I think, is right there. Yeah, right there. But you're looking at such a peak here. And they honestly, they debuted at 18 there, and then boom, boom, boom. And they've really, really, really got some stuff. Like you say, like I said there, check out their website. It's livewireenergy.com. Well, that's that. Got the stocks. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you. Nathan, oneownercarguy.com, stockgambles.com.